If you're wanting to start a podcast or maybe get into streaming and you don't have a microphone yet, then maybe check out this one from FiFine. This is the K678 and it has a lot of really awesome features and it doesn't even cost that much. G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at this microphone from FiFine, the K678. We're going to be going through the features and obviously I'm going to be giving you a sample of what the microphone sounds like so you can decide if this is the right microphone for you. If you found this video helpful, chuck it a like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section and get subscribed so you don't miss out on more content like this. Okay, so why is this microphone one that you should be considering if you are looking at getting into streaming, podcasting, recording, whatever it might be that you're doing that requires you to have a really clear, I guess, vocal presence on any of those platforms. The actual microphone itself, at the front here, one of the knobs says mic, and that one is actually your microphone gain. So you can turn up your microphone sensitivity or turn it down depending on what you're doing. You've also got a headphone volume up and down knob here. So you can actually plug in a pair of headphones to the microphone and listen to yourself back, which is really important. I think every microphone should have that feature, especially if you're wanting to make sure that you're getting the best possible recording. On the other side of the microphone, you've got a microphone mute button with a little LED so you can turn on and turn off the microphone as you so wish. And then down the bottom, if you just tilt that, you've got a USB connection. And then also there's a little, I guess, thread there. So you can actually put this onto a boom arm if you already have one. So you can actually hang it upside down or hang it from an arm and actually make it even more ergonomic depending on your particular situation. If you're maybe in a recording booth or doing a podcast and you already have that boom arm, this can easily screw on and the adapter comes in the box. Now, one other thing about this microphone is that it's USB, which means it's plug and play on Windows and Mac, and that means it's going to be great for transporting around. If you're wanting to do podcasts or interviews or that kind of stuff, you don't have to worry about taking a mixing desk or anything else really. The USB cable comes included and it just plugs into the computer and it is instantly recognized as the microphone, the K678, and then you can do your adjustments in whatever software that you're using. So it is just a really good package, and this microphone only costs, I think it's between $120 and $130 here in Australia, which is really good value. Now lastly, in terms of the microphone recording or the pickup pattern, this is a cardioid microphone with a condenser diaphragm on the internal, and what that really means is that this is a microphone meant for just one person to talk into. It's not really meant to be put into a table, so you can have 2 or 3 people around it talking. This is going to be a microphone designed for you, just to give you the best possible recording and without having to worry about any of those background noises being detected or picked up. So if you're wanting a microphone for streaming, podcasting, making music, any of that kind of stuff, it's great. If you're wanting to do an interview, maybe get a second one and you can just plug it into another USB port. But overall, for this particular price point, this microphone is really good. So now what I'm going to do is jump into my streaming setup, get this microphone hooked up so you can see how it sounds, and that way you can hopefully determine whether or not this microphone is going to be right for you. Okay, so here we are in the streaming setup and another microphone test. This time it's the FiFine K678. Everything that you're hearing right now is through this microphone, and I've got it set about 10 centimeters away from my mouth. I've got it with the FiFine logo and the little microphone symbol with the LED towards me. Because it is a cardioid microphone, it's really important that you are talking into the right side of it. And then on the other side is those dials there, so you can adjust your microphone sensitivity. You can obviously turn up and turn down the volume of your headphones because it does have that real-time monitoring. These headphones are actually plugged directly into the microphone so I can monitor myself, which is awesome. So when you're on a stream, if you want to turn yourself up a little bit or turn your gain up a little bit to make it a bit more sensitive or less sensitive, you can do that on the fly without having to sort of muck around with Windows software or Streamlabs or whatever it might be. Let me know what you guys think though of this microphone. Does it sound good in your opinion? I think that for this price point, it is a really great microphone at this particular price. If you're comparing it to more expensive microphones that are connected through XLR connections, I don't think it has the range that those microphones have, But if you're starting out and you're wanting something to maybe go from, like maybe you've got a gaming headset and the microphone's quite basic and you want to get something a bit more professional that captures your voice a little bit better, this microphone is going to do a really good job. And I think for the fact that you get so many features like the real-time monitoring and the ability to adjust your microphone and your gain and your headphone level all on the fly is really, really cool. So that way, if you want to travel with it, you don't have to worry about taking all these other things. So good job FiFine on this microphone. But again, let me know what you guys think, and would you get a microphone from this particular company? Okay, so now that you're at the end of this video, if you want to come and chat with me about this microphone or about any of my videos, I'm actually live on Twitch every Friday night from 10:30 p.m. approximately. I'm also on Instagram, you can DM me there. But now that you're at the end of this video and you want maybe another microphone video to compare this to, I'll leave a link to one that I did recently on a microphone from a company called ThroneMax, a little card thingy up in the corner, and you can head over and check that one out now.